welcome back to my channel. It's me, White Lion, and today's video is about how to create your own character in Bondee. So the first thing that we have to do is to install Bondee from your Play Store. Alright, so let's just wait. Here we go. Now I'm about to install it, and then we just have to wait for it. It really depends on your Wi-Fi connection, how fast it is or how slow it is. So, but patience is the key. So there we go. Then let's open it and let's review the terms and so here we go. Let's get started. This is actually the introduction to Bondee, and I actually removed the original soundtrack for its copyright content. Okay, it looks cool and cute. And ready, set, Bondee. Yay! So I'm so excited to see what's next. Then you have to enter your mobile number, and then you get SMS verification code from your phone, and then you have to enter it. Alright, and then alright, enter the code and then select your birthday. There we go. Okay, you just have to provide the information needed and then press continue, and then write your name. After that, press continue once again and then select your ID, your preferred ID. Of course, I'm going to use White Lion Official as my ID. Alright? So after that, you have to press continue one more time and then provide your password as well. Now it's time to select your skin tone, the face shape, and then it's time to customize your own character. It's really cool because it reminds me of Sims, Have you played that? Yeah, I miss playing Sims. So let's go back to customizing our character here. You just have to select the eyes, the lips, and then, alright, I like this one. It's cute, right? And then ear, and then select what you like. What's next? Alright, let's dress our character now. Now let's choose which one should fit her. No, I don't like this kind of shorts. I like something cute. No, not this one. Okay, that looks cute, but yeah, let's change it. Alright. I prefer this one. Sorry. I like white color. And the shoes. Right, let's get some shoes. Okay, this one fits better. And then, do I need a cap? Does it look better? I guess so. It looks nice and cute. Of course, it's not me without the eyeglasses. Sorry, guys. And then, what's next? The watch. The white watch. I assume it's a smartwatch, but then, yeah. The keyboard. I was really looking for something else, but I didn't have any good choice, so I just selected a keyboard anyway. Now, okay. What's next? Right. She's alone. She's lonely. She doesn't have any neighbor yet. There we go, and we're all set. All she needs is friends. So, what are we waiting for? Come on, let's play Bondee!
Alright, alright.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It's White Lion Official. Please don't forget to hit the bell button for more videos.